Welcome to the world of safe woodworking. Let's master the art of table saw safety together. First, gear up with essential safety equipment to protect your eyes and ears. Dress for success by avoiding loose clothing and accessories that could catch in the saw. Create a clutter-free workspace for optimal safety and precision in your cuts. Always inspect and engage all safety features before powering up your saw. Utilize outfeed tables for large stock handling to improve stability and control. Always power down before blade changes to prevent accidental starts and injuries. Ensure a free spinning blade before firing up the saw to avoid potential hazards. Position yourself for balance and safety, keeping your body to the side of the blade. Practice patience and never reach over a moving blade. Your safety is paramount. Install proper inserts to prevent debris from becoming dangerous projectiles during cuts. Always use a fence or miter gauge for precision and safety in your cuts. Inspect your stock for hidden hazards like nails or knots before cutting to prevent accidents. For more woodworking safety tips and techniques, click the link in the description.